I make this GPT using MUTCD 11th version. It's called MUTCD Expert Assistant. You can make conversation with it. For example, I'm giving that MUTCD guidelines regarding the placement of stop signs at intersection. So it will read the MUTCD 11th version and provide me different standard, different code with all the reference. So it is going through all the information, different guidance and reference section, and then also it gives me that this decision or output was generated by AI. Human interaction are required for validating and overseeing those decisions. So there is a plus icon. You can use it to upload photos or take a picture. Like in here, you can take the picture of the road design or any sign. Also, you can upload the files. For example, your design files or a screenshot. Please do remember that do not upload any sensitive information. So in the photo, for example, I downloaded it from internet, a stop sign. So I'm telling it that check the sign, tell me whether it is MUTCD compliant or not. So I just upload a picture and ask to check it. So it is going to check it, and then it is going to different standard, and then different potential concern need to on-site verifications, then conclusion. So sign appear generally MUTCD compliant, assuming it meets the required distance from the intersection visibility. So I didn't give the whole picture. Definitely it needs mounting height, the other types of information. So you can upload multiple picture to give it a full scenario. The other thing is that you can talk with MUTCD in your native language. I'm from Bangladesh. My native language is Bangla. So I'm asking convert the stop sign guide in Bangla language. So it is giving me the standard in my native language. In that way, if I can read the code in more details, I can understand it more. So you can see that it gives me different recommendation. That means show different reference section. You can also ask it, convert the stone side guidance in Chinese. Again, it will convert the things, all the Chinese language. I don't know. And then in the lower right side corner, you see that two icon. One is microphone icon and another is the black things. So the microphone, you can talk with the GPT, and you can send the prompt using your voice. And the black icon, you can make the conversation with the GPT in real time. The chat GPT, it can speak in Bangladeshi, English, Chinese, it doesn't matter. So one use cases is that if you go for field visit and there are workers that are non-native English speaker. So for example, Spanish, you can talk ChatGPT in English and ChatGPT will convert your language in Spanish. again from Spanish to English, and it will help them to understand what are the MUTCD guide for the construction or sign installation or anything. So that way you can use that GPT. I will put the GPT link in the description. It is totally free. You just need a ChatGPT account, and from then you can start reading MUTCD in your own language or English language. You can use your design file to validate it. It has a multiple uses. Thank you.